Hi, I'm going to be explaining how the safety system for a standard Robojob solution works. The primary component of our safety system is our laser-based area scanner located on the bottom right corner of the Robojob. We use the scanner to map out 3 invisible zones around the robot. The first and outermost zone is our slowdown zone. If I step into this zone, the robot begins to run at a reduced speed. If I step out, the robot resumes full speed operation. The second zone we have, zone 2, is a pause zone with an automatic reset. Once I enter this zone, the robot pauses its operation until I exit. Once I exit, after a brief cooldown period, the robot will resume operation from where it was. The innermost third zone is called the stop zone with a manual reset. If I enter this zone, the robot again stops operation. To clear the robot safety, I have to step out and manually verify that I've exited the safety zone. Once I do that, the robot will again resume full speed operation. In addition to the area scanner, we have hard guarding located on the side of the Robojob unit, and this makes sure that areas which are not visible to the area scanner are covered and that operators are not exposed to hazards. Every Robojob installation is compliant with RIA, OSHA, and ISO standards for robot safety.